supposed to eat the train like me. What are you doing? Eating Nutella. Ah, that's disgusting. Disgusting. Sorry, sir. I guess I'm addicted to chocolate. Be like me. I'll show you pictures. This guy works out. You want to look like him? He's handsome. Sir, I'm addicted to food. Bitch. If you don't want, I'll beat you. No.